Welcome to Clip It News. This is a roundup of all our YouTube short videos, news clips for the week. Clip It News Crypto Update. The crypto industry is being adopted at a rapid pace. According to an article on Bitcoin.com, Rio de Janeiro, one of the biggest cities in Brazil, will reportedly put some of its funds into cryptocurrency investments, according to statements from the mayor, Eduardo Paes. Along the path of adoption, it's believed Tonga could follow El Salvador's path to legalize BTC as legal tender. In an article on Cointelegraph.com, it was said in a ruling that it is almost identical to the El Salvador's bill. Tongan bigwig Lord Fuzitor anticipates that his country could adopt Bitcoin by November. And we cannot forget the amount of attention Elon Musk continues to bring to the industry. His recent tweet, Tesla merch viable with Doge, is no exception. Drop a comment, let me know your thoughts. Subscribe so you don't miss our next clip. Clip It News Crypto Update. According to this report on CNBC.com, Walmart is quietly preparing to enter the metaverse. The big box retailer filed several new trademarks late last month that indicate its intent to make and sell virtual goods, including electronics, home decorations, toys, sporting goods, and personal care products. In a separate filing, the company said it would offer users a virtual currency as well as NFTs. Here are some of the trademark applications with the serial numbers and filing dates. I like it, but what I think doesn't matter. What do you think? Drop a comment, let me know, and subscribe so you don't miss our next clip. Clip It News Crypto Update. According to a report on BusinessWire.com, full-service Bitcoin DeFi platform Alex launches mainnet on Stacks. I wanted to point out this tweet. Last year around this time, Stacks went from testnet to mainnet and brought smart contracts to Bitcoin, paving the way for NFTs, DeFi protocols, and Web3 applications. Today, the Alex team has taken Bitcoin DeFi to a next level by allowing people to use their Bitcoin in new ways. Users can already use the Alex platform to lend a variety of crypto tokens, borrow at a fixed rate without the risk of liquidation, deposit tokens to earn interest, and engage in yield farming. And just to clarify, Alex is the first completed DeFi platform on Bitcoin via Stacks. And Stacks is secure smart contracts and apps for Bitcoin. I like it, but what I think doesn't matter. What do you think? Drop a comment, let me know, and subscribe so you don't miss our next clip. Clip It News Crypto Update. This is huge. Microsoft's purchase of Activision Blizzard gives it the clear lead in the metaverse. According to this article on QZ.com, Microsoft's plan to acquire Activision Blizzard for $68.7 billion is the biggest deal in the space since the tech industry collectively shifted its attention to the metaverse in 2021. Well, most of this article is going over the gaming aspect of the acquisition, but I wanted to point out this particular paragraph. As the next phase of the internet gradually unfolds in VR and AR, Microsoft's newly robust entertainment profile and deep work in the immersive platform will give it the advantage as gaming moves from screen-based interactions to immersive experiences. I like it, but what I think doesn't matter. What do you think? Drop a comment, let me know, and subscribe so you don't miss our next clip. Clip It News Crypto Update. According to this article on Forecast.news, Polygon Upgrade ignites token burn to make Matic more valuable. Polygon Upgrade, which piggybacks off of Ethereum 1559, makes Matic deflationary, which will allow users to estimate gas fees more accurately. Polygon, the Layer 2 scaling network, rolled out a major upgrade on Tuesday, incorporating Ethereum London hard fork with EIP 1559 now on its mainnet. The Polygon Upgrade will now limit the supply of Matic and make the token potentially more valuable. Polygon's upgraded EIP 1559 happened at block 23,850 just before 11 a.m. Hong Kong time. Matic has a fixed supply of 10 billion tokens with 6.8 billion currently in circulation. According to the Polygon estimate, a total of around 0.27% of the total Matic supply would be burned annually, therefore limiting the supply and making it more deflationary. I like it, but what I think doesn't matter. What do you think? Drop a comment, let me know, and subscribe so you don't miss our next clip. Clip It News Crypto Update. Just taking a look at this article on HackerNoon.com, Hubble Protocol, a DeFi platform on Solana, raises $10 million led by Crypto.com Capital, DCG, and CMS. Before the January 28th mainnet launch, Hubble Protocol, a decentralized finance DeFi application on the Solana network, has raised $10 million. Hubble was able to accomplish this considerable raise with the help of some of crypto's most powerful and well-known figures. Hubble's native token, HBB, allows users to earn the bulk of the protocol's fees by minting USDH. The revenue stream contributed to this fee sharing may expand in the future. HBB will be available on 3 launchpads at the end of January. In a research note, Bank of America informed clients that the Solana blockchain might become the Visa of digital asset ecosystem since it focuses on stability, cheap transaction costs, and simplicity of use. I like it, but what I think doesn't matter. What do you think? Drop a comment, let me know, and subscribe so you don't miss our next clip. Clip It News, Crypto Update. We're over here on BitcoinMagazine.com. Google cards to store Bitcoin and crypto. According to the report, Google has formed partnerships with cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase Inc. and cryptocurrency payment processor BitPay to enable the new functionality. Google's cryptocurrency integrations allow its customers to hold BTC in their digital cards while spending fiat currency, an arrangement that does not precisely use the peer-to-peer asset as a medium of exchange, but enables users to spend their Bitcoin holdings. Given Bitcoin's astronomical rise in purchasing power over the past decade, it is hard to conceive a scenario where Bitcoiners would want to get rid of part of their stack. However, I think it's awesome that Google is providing the option for BTC holders. I like it, but what I think doesn't matter. What do you think? Drop a comment, let me know, and subscribe so you don't miss our next clip. Clip It News, Crypto Update. Alright, we are over here on FT.com. Article, Facebook owner Meta dives into NFT digital collectible craze. Let's go ahead and take a look at this paragraph right here. Teams at Facebook and Instagram are readying a feature that will allow users to display their NFTs on their social media profiles, as well as working on a prototype to help users create or mint the collectible tokens, according to several people familiar with the matter. And over here we have Instagram head Adam Mosseri in December said it was actively exploring NFTs without sharing specific details. But Instagram is now internally testing its NFT showcase feature, said 2 people with knowledge of the fast developing plans. And down here, Facebook's digital currency wallet Novi, which launched as a pilot in October, is likely to be vital to the plans. A lot of the supporting functionality related to Novi will be empowering the NFTs. I like it, but what I think doesn't matter. What do you think? Drop a comment, let me know, and subscribe so you don't miss our next clip. Clip It News, Crypto Update. According to an article on Coindesk.com, large tech companies such as Intel and Block delving into making mining more efficient and accessible is likely to help the price of Bitcoin by encouraging mass adoption, said an analyst from UK-based digital asset broker Global Block. Intel, one of the world's largest chip makers, said on January 18th it will unveil an ultra-low voltage Bitcoin mining ASIC, which will be more efficient, specialized mining computer. The chip maker said that its new miner will reduce power consumption by about 15%. Crypto miner Grid Infrastructure, which is going public via a merger special purpose acquisition company, has already signed an agreement with Intel to potentially buy the chip. Meanwhile, payment giant Block said on January 13th that it is going ahead with its plan to build an open source Bitcoin mining system to make mining more distributed and efficient. The chip will be revealed at the ISSCC conference February 23rd. I like it, but what I think doesn't matter. What do you think? Drop a comment, let me know, and subscribe so you don't miss our next clip.